But today I'm here, apart from the farmers, for those Jawans, these soldiers who have been protecting their lives. They stand in the border of this country. They stand in the border of Pakistan. They stand in the border of China. They stand in a different part of the country with the rifles. They have given their lives. When we have confidence on them to protect our country, so I have come here to appeal to all the Goan voters, my brothers, my sisters, and all my friends. Give us an opportunity. We will give a change. We will give a change for development. We will give a change on communal harmony. We will give a corruption-free government. So I request you to give us a stable government which we should not depend upon.